welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Carsel app in Android. The Carsel app I mean is the make and play. Yeah, that's one. So first thing you have to do, go to Play Store, and once you Play Store, click on the search bar and search for Carsel. And once you click search for Carsel, you're going to see a lot of Carsels. So it's this first one of the Carsel make and play. So once you click on it, click on install and it will start installing immediately. So let's wait for it. So the speed of the installation is going to determine how fast your internet connection is. So mine is very fast, so that's why it's on 100% right now. So let's keep waiting. So after install, the next thing you have to do is open up the app, and once you open the app up, the thing is going to open up and you have successfully installed download your make and play Carsel. So once you click on it, you can say welcome. Carsel is a word make of interactive card just like this one. Click on OK and you can start making use of it. I really love this app. Let's look at how you open it up and start. If you find this guide helpful, give the top thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.